Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a single product page in Elementor. We'll walk you through this step by step, demystifying the process and showing you how easy it can be. By the end of this video, you'll be able to craft stunning, customized product pages that not only look great but also work in harmony with your sales strategy. Let's start. I'm already logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. Now let's go to templates and then go to theme builder. Now on this theme builder, let's go to the single product. Right now, we don't have any template for this single product. So click on add new. Now here you will see the pre-designed single product page template. Let's see how this looks. So here you will see the featured image, the title, the content, the price, add to cart, and some related products. Alright, so we are going to do it manually. So let's close this one. Now let's add the single column section. We are going to add the title section here. So let's add some padding. And we are going to add some background image also. Just like what we did for the single page and single post template. So this will be the section for the titles here. The title of the product will show. Alright, now click on the plus sign to show the product title. You will see all the elements here that you can use for this single product. All the elements are listed here. So we are going to use this title, product title, so drag it and drop it here. Now change the color, let's say white, and let's customize the text. The center aligns it. So this will be the name of your product, the title of your product. Now let's say we are going to add two column sections here, and let's add some padding to the top and bottom. Here we will show the product image, the featured image. So click on product images, drag it and drop it here. Now it will show one of the products, the image here. Now you can customize the product image. Let's say if you have a border radius, if you want to show somebody radius, you can show the border radius like this. We will show the product title again. Let's customize it. Now let's add the product short description. Now this is the product meta. Now this is about the category. It shows the category of the product. So let's have it at the top. You can customize this. You can change the color also from this style section. Now let's add the price. The product price. You can see the price of the product here. Change it to dark blue. Let's add a two column section. And here we will get the price. And here we will name it as price. So let's say, let's take the heading here and name it as price. Change the style. Alright. So this is the price of the product. You can customize the width of the columns. Right now, after the product price, we are going to add this button, add to cart. Put it just below the price. Now let's change if you want to change the color of the blue button. You can change the color, the background color. Let's take it from here, blue, and our color will be say black. Alright, so this is the add to cart button. Now let's see what other things we can add to this section. Product data tabs. This put it here. Let's see what happens. This is the description and this is the review. So let's add it to below this section. So add another section here and let's add product data tabs here. Let's see, we are going to add WooCommerce breadcrumbs. Okay, so this is a breadcrumb. Now if you have any upsells, you can show the upsells also. We will add upsells below this one. Okay, right now we do not have any upsell. However, if there is any upsell, it will show here. Let's see. This is the printed green shirt. So let's go to edit. We are going to add some upsells here. Let's say we are going to add another t-shirt here. Yes, we have added two upsells here. Let's update it. Now let me delete this one and try it again. Sales. Now you will see two products added to the upsells. So this is how you can add the upsells product here. And now you can customize this also. You can change the style here, the title color, change it to dark blue. This is the title color of the product. Now let's center align it. Let's change the color, the price also. Let's say green. And the button background color, change it to dark blue. And the text will be this one. Right now the box says we are going to add some borders here. Okay, so this is how it will look now. We have got the upsells here. Now let's see what else we can show here. Now below that, if you want to show more products, you can add another column, another section. Let's have some padding to the top and bottom. And just go to the WooCommerce section here and add products. So it will show the remaining products here. So you can set the number of products, 4 columns, 4 rows. So it will show at least 16 products here. And you can set the query to show the products. So these are the options that you can add on the single page. So let's see how this looks. So these are the upsells and these are all other products. Now let's click on publish. Click on add condition and this template will be used for the single product. So let's click. Select these products. Now click on save and close. Alright, so now the template has been published and this is the default layout. Now let's refresh it. Alright, now you can see the new layout for the single product page. So is the category, the title, the description, price and add cart button, the tabs. This is the upsells and these are the other products to be shown on this page. So this is how you can customize the single product page using Elementor theme builder. Now in the next video, we will see how to design templates for the shop page. Now you can see the current shop page looks like this. So all the products are listed here. And there you have it. That's how you create a single product page in Elementor. If you have any questions or run into any challenges, please drop us a comment below. We are here to help. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It might be the tutorial they have been searching for. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will never miss out on our next tutorials. We have got plenty more videos, tips and tricks coming your way. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay inspired and we'll see you in our next video.